In front of me is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access security. Then click on app lock and create your pattern that you will use to unlock your apps. Repeat it to confirm it. Tap on link or skip. And click on open padlocks next to all of your apps that you wish to lock. Then go back. So when I try to access one of those apps, icons that pattern is required. If you want to disable app lock from any of those apps, go back to the same settings, enter app lock and tap on now closed padlocks. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!